Hassan says, if I only use tissues after urinating, will it be enough? In my office, it is a little bit difficult to approach for water. So by only using toilet paper, can I purify myself? When people answer the call of nature, it is either number one or number two. So you either urinate or you defecate. And the means of purity in Islam, it is essential and part of our religion. In Sahih al-Imam Muslim, the Jews came to Salman al-Farisi, may Allah be pleased with him, and they were mocking Islam. And they were saying to him, you teach, your prophet had taught you everything, even how to take a crap, how to defecate. Salman was not angered by this. This is a medal of honor you're putting on my chest. He proudly said, yes, the Prophet ﷺ ordered us not to face or give our backs to the Qibla, to the Kaaba, when we are answering the call of nature, and not to hold our private parts, or to wipe or clean our private parts with our right hand, and not to use less than 3 stones. And he was referring to dry wiping, because when you defecate or urinate, you have 2 means of purifying yourself, and this is a must. Muslims have to do this. It's not something you do like some other religions once every week. They wash themselves, or something that is disgusting. But the Muslims, every single time they go to the toilet, they have to purify themselves with one of 2 ways. One is Istinja, and this is the finest and the best, and that is to wash your private parts from this impurity until it's clean. And the second one is called Istijmar, and this is using dry substances such as stones, toilet paper, tissues, a piece of cloth, etc., that can purify the area where this impurity had exited from. And this is totally legit. So if you are in an area where you have no water, no access to water, or even if you have access to water, but you don't find it convenient to use water, so you decide instead to use toilet paper, this is totally legit. But it has to be a minimum of 3 wipes. And the more you do it, it has to be in odd numbers. So either 3 or 5 or 7 or 9, until the area is purified and you feel that there is nothing outcoming anymore and it is clean. So this is totally legit. The best, of course, is to use toilet paper and follow that by washing it. And you can always bring a small bottle of water with you to the toilet, and there is nothing wrong in that, inshallah.